Marshtown Water System was created originally in 1896. Then the city of Marshtown created the Marshtown Water Commission, which later evolved into the Marshtown Utility Commission in the early 1900s. And they built a pump station on Cherokee Drive, which is now the intersection of Cherokee Drive and Cumberland. Now it's the RPN building. There the water was pumped into the system and piped over to the downtown area that we know of now. It didn't extend very far outside of that. We provided water and fire protection services to that area. There are several different components to the water department. There's a lot more than people realize. First of all, you have water treatment. We have the water treatment plant located on 1833 Walters Drive. We serve more than over 60,000 people through this point plant. Our facilities produce an average about 9.3 million gallons a day. That is an annual average, and we've been holding constant around that for the last several years. We have a max day production of around 12.1, and sometimes during the weekends we drop down to as low as 6 million gallons a day, depending on what the weather conditions and what's going on in our industry is how much water they're using. So we pump water from Cherokee Lake to the water treatment plant where we treat the water, and then we pump it out into the distribution system for use. And we have 17 tanks with a combined total storage of around 12 million gallons in the system at any one time. Then we resell that water as well to 3 other utility districts that extend from Rutledge to Mooresburg, from Jefferson County to Greene County. Marshtown Water System originally started out as just a pumping station, so we picked water up from Turkey Creek and pushed it into the downtown area. There's been several enhancements to the system since that time. In 1909, the original water treatment plant was built with 6 Cypress tub filters. And then in 1959, the next plant was built, which actually added 4 more filters, and they were mixed media filters. And that was probably the first real treatment process that we had started into improving the quality of the water that we produced. From that step, around the 1990s, we added improved flocculation and enhanced treatment in the plant, which ultimately led to lower turbidity or better water quality for our customers. And then the big improvement that we've done over the years has been we added carbon filtration. And that's really interesting because there's very few plants in the nation that actually do this. But we actually have 4 carbon filters that are 9 feet deep. It's a secondary treatment, so the water's treated, and then after it's finished treatment, then it goes into the carbon filters. The carbon filters absorb organics out of the water, remaining organics, and then after that we chlorinate the water. And that's been one of the biggest public health impacts across the nation that they experienced was when all water systems started adding chlorination to the process, trying to ensure the quality of the water that we send out to our customers.